Example 10. Find the range of values of x for which f of x is equal to 6x minus 2x cubed is an increasing function. Alright, so we have f of x is equal to 6x minus 2x cubed. Alright, so let's find the first derivative. This is 6. Differentiate 6x, you're going to get 6. Minus 2 times 3 is 6. X decrease the power by 1 and you get 2. Alright, so f of x is increasing. F of x is increasing when f prime of x is greater than 0. So f prime of x, which is 6 minus 6 x squared, is greater than, let's change that sign, is greater than 0. Alright. So one thing I could do, maybe I could divide the entire equation by 6 to simplify it. Now I have 1 minus x squared is greater than 0. Alright. So if I factorize, I have what? 1 minus x, 1 plus x is greater than 0. I'm going to solve this inequality using sign tables. So now I need to get my critical values. 1 minus x multiplied by 1 plus x is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 minus x is equal to 0, or 1 plus x is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 over here, or x is equal to minus 1 over here. So those are my critical values. So now I have x is less than minus 1. This is 1 minus x. This is 1 plus x. And this is 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Alright, x is less than 1 but greater than minus 1. And x is greater than 1. Alright, when x is less than minus 1, for example, if x is minus 2, 1 minus x would be negative. And 1 plus x, 1 plus x, remember x is, for example, minus 2, would still be negative. A negative times a negative is a positive, which is greater than 0. Alright, if x is between less than 1 but greater than minus 1, for example, if x is 0, 1 minus 0 is positive, and 1 plus 0 is still positive. This is positive. Positive times a positive is a positive. So I'm not expecting that answer. Alright, if x is greater than 1, if x is greater than 1, we are going to get, if x is greater than 1, we're going to get, if x is greater than 1, for example, if x is 2, 1 minus 2 would be what? Negative. And 1 plus 2 would be 1 plus 2 would be positive. Negative times a positive is a negative. Right, I think I see where the problem is. I think the problem is with the first line. Positive here, negative here. All right, let's go back and reanalyze the first line. It says if x is less than minus 1, meaning that x is, for example, minus 2. So it would be minus 1 minus minus 2, which would make this positive. So up here would be negative. So now the range of values for which 1 minus x squared is greater than 0 is x is less than 1 but greater than minus 1. So from up here, I can now conclude that f of x, which is equal to 6x minus 2x cubed, is increasing for values of x less than what? 1 but greater than minus 1. So it's increasing for x, for values of x less than 1 and greater than minus 1.